Hello and welcome to the John Ark Show. Today's episode is called Florida Real Estate is in an Accelerated Collapse. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel because it's free and it's great. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on that notification bell and subscribe so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's show on all your social media to help spread the word. Now, let's get started. Not only is Florida real estate in an accelerated collapse, but it's happening in a way that investors and home buyers have never seen before. In some areas, they're now seeing weekly price declines. How is that possible? Well, it's possible because of the hyper-localized data and forecasts that are now being made. It used to be that sales projections were updated on a monthly basis, but now that's happening much more quickly. Why does that matter? Because now you can determine what's selling and what isn't on a very fast basis, and you can adjust your selling price accordingly. You can also adjust your purchase offers accordingly so that you can make more favorable offers than your competitors do. That means you don't have to have your home on the market for 6 months in order to figure out the optimal selling price. Now you can monitor prices on a weekly basis and price your property accordingly. Now, if you're a major investor, this allows you to buy and sell large lots of properties and to take advantage of this hyper-localized, fast-moving data and price your property better and more efficiently than you could have previously. Next, we have the impact of rising insurance costs. There are two things happening in the market for home insurance. First, insurance companies are leaving a number of markets. They're just getting out of the business entirely. And they're also increasing their price quotes. Whenever an insurance company leaves the real estate market, that means this exerts more pressure on other insurance companies, which in turn will probably raise their prices. And those that don't leave will simply have additional pricing pressure exerted on them. Most importantly, this will damage the resale potential of a lot of existing homes and zip codes. If your home becomes 25% or 30% more difficult to sell because the insurance prices in your area have gone up, then that'll determine how desirable and sellable your property is. Next, we have the HOA pressures being exerted. HOAs are raising their fees and their restrictions on a regular basis. If that's happening with the properties you're considering buying, then how significantly will it impact your property sales potential? In a growing number of cases, it's impacting it substantially. All of these economic forces are causing potential sales to cancel. They're also causing buyers to avoid certain zip codes with greater frequency. Does that mean that high information and well-informed buyers are fleeing and that low information and poorly informed buyers are buying because they don't have all the negative forecast information at their disposal? Well, in many cases, the answer is yes. This means that as more consumers and investors are able to access more real estate information on a real-time basis, we expect them to slow down their purchases or in some cases cancel them entirely, and that's what's going on. So what's the big picture in Florida real estate now? Well, it appears that sales are canceling or simply failing to take place. People may now have the latest information, oftentimes in real time, but they instinctively sense what's going on and are avoiding making offers entirely. And the large commercial investors who have even more real-time data at their disposal are canceling and avoiding making offers on a large scale. That's not good, and it's decelerating the market. We predict that real estate sales will degrade even more over the next 12 months. That's why so many buyers are refusing to pull the trigger now, and they're looking at other markets in other cities or states. Good luck. Thank you for watching. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our channel for free. You can also like, comment, and follow us. We're going to have a lot of great celebrity interviews coming up, so make sure to click on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new episode. Also, we ask that you post a link to today's episode of our show on all your social media to help get the word out. Thank you, and we shall talk to you soon.